Using Bill.com to streamline your accounts payable and receivable processes is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started and manage your bills and invoices. Sign up and set up your account. Visit the Bill.com website and sign up for an account. Complete the setup process by entering your company information, banking details, and accounting software integrations. Add vendors and customers. Go to the Vendors tab and click Add Vendor to enter your vendor's information. Similarly, go to the Customers tab and click Add Customer to enter customer details. Upload bills. Go to the Bills tab and click Upload Bill. You can upload bills by dragging and dropping the file, emailing them to a unique Bill.com address, or manually entering the details. Review and approve the bill once it's uploaded. Schedule payments. In the Bills tab, select the bill you want to pay. Click Schedule Payment and choose the payment date and method. Confirm and submit the payment. Send invoices. Navigate to the Invoices tab and click Create Invoice. Enter the invoice details, including customer, items or services, amounts, and due dates. Send the invoice directly through Bill.com via email. Track and reconcile. Use the dashboard to track outstanding bills and invoices. Bill.com integrates with various accounting software to help you reconcile your accounts. Automate workflows. Set up approval workflows for bills to streamline the approval process. Enable auto reminders for due invoices to ensure timely payments.